Hello friends, today I'm going to show you uh, this plant that I have in my garden called evergreen plant or evergreen shrub. Evergreen it is called is because throughout the year, even in winter, the leaves don't fall, the leaves still remains. That's why it's called evergreen. And now in April, May, June, the flower blossoms. You can see the flowers so lovely. And then there are lots of bees are here as well, which actually feeds on these flowers, or they eat all the nectar or pollen. You can see this now. They actually don't bite you. Lovely. First I thought they were honeybees, but they are not honeybees. They are called bumblebees. If you have this type of trees or plant in your garden, please don't remove them or cut them, because it gives such beauty, and all these bees, flies or butterflies lives on it, eat all the nectar, pollen, just like us human beings eats food or fruits. This plant is one of the variety called heather. As I said, it gives such a beauty in your garden as well. The flowers also smells good. So this video I'm just making just to make you aware, guys. So if you have this type of plants, leave it, so that this type of insects, as I said, live on, or they eat all this pollen or nectar. Thank you for watching.